2.
Hey, we just got to Knoxville Zoo in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're here to drop off the red wolf crate. We're going to take it out now and pass it to them so they can load her in the morning and we can take her back to South Carolina. Alright, after a stay overnight in Knoxville, we're heading back to Zoo Knoxville to pick up the red wolf to take back to Towne Landing. This red wolf is a female and will be part of the red wolf species survival program that Towne Landing is a part of. And there are about 40 to 45 zoo facilities nationwide that are a part of this program to reestablish the red wolf species in America. They were extinct in the wild, and now they're being reestablished in a couple of places on the East Coast. And this female will pair with our male, whose name is Redford, and hopefully by the fall or winter we may have some pups at Towne Landing. And these pups will also be a part of the red wolf species survival program, and they could possibly get transferred once they become adults to other facilities needing to breed.
Hello, my name is Terry Cannon. I'm curator of carnivores at Zoo Knoxville in Knoxville, Tennessee. This morning we loaded up a female red wolf to travel to Charleston and have a new home there. The way we do that is they all like to den in their den box, and we had 3 females. And so once we got them all in the den box, we just slowly released the ones that we did not want. And once we had the female that was leaving, we were able to just set the crate up next to a guillotine door, open the door to the crate, and then just move her slowly behind her with some poles, just tapping the floor, and she will move away from that. Once she sees that she can go into a safe place like the crate, she went right in. We closed the door. She's ready for traveling.
On our trip to Tennessee to Knoxville Zoo to pick up our red wolf, we took a little side venture over to the University of Tennessee to pick up this gopher tortoise. We guess he's probably 7 to 10 years old, and he's going to find his new home with 2 other gopher tortoises, and they'll go in our new gopher tortoise exhibit at the Towne Landing Animal Forest. Alright, we're back at Towne Landing with our red wolf from the Knoxville Zoo. And we're going to unload her now and put her in our Kubota vehicle and take her over to the habitat and release her either into the holding or to the habitat. And then hopefully in a few days or a couple of weeks, you'll be able to visit her and see her and Redford together in the habitat at the Towne Landing Animal Forest.